In-depth study, a deeper investigation of Timey-Wimey series in Drive Who. Welcome to Artificial Radio's exploration of the intricate and often bewildering world of Timey-Wimey series in Doctor Who. The phrase timey-wimey is often used to describe the complexities of Doctor Who's narrative, particularly in its use of time travel and non-linear storytelling. However, what exactly does it mean, and how does it shape the viewing experience? One key aspect of timey-wimey is the concept of time dilation. As first introduced in the 1966 episode The Romans, this idea posits that time passes at different rates depending on an individual's relative velocity. For example, time can appear to slow down or speed up depending on an object's proximity to a time dilation source, such as a black hole or a region with intense gravitational fields. In the context of Doctor Who, time dilation is often used to explain seemingly paradoxical events, where a character experiences a significant period of time while the outside world is subject to rapid temporal shift. This phenomenon has become a staple of the series, particularly in episodes such as The End of Time and Heaven Sent. However, time dilation is just one piece of the timey-wimey puzzle. The show also frequently employs concepts such as closed Timelic curves, predestination, and the grandfather paradox. Closed Timelic curves refer to situations where a future event creates a cause for a past event, essentially allowing a time traveler to affect their own timeline. The grandfather paradox, on the other hand, raises questions about causality and the potential for disrupting the timeline. Imagine, for example, a time traveler who goes back in time and kills their own grandfather before he has children. This would mean that the time traveler was never born, and therefore never existed to go back in time and kill their grandfather in the first place. This paradox highlights the complexities of predestination versus free will in timey-wimey series. If time is predetermined, do characters really have agency over their actions, or are their decisions simply part of an inevitable sequence of events? One way to approach this intellectual conundrum is through the concept of Novikov's self-consistency principle, proposed by physicist Igor Novikov. This principle suggests that any events occurring through time travel have already occurred and are therefore predetermined, ensuring that the timeline remains intact and free from paradox. Novikov's self-consistency principle is just one of several explanations used to mitigate timeline anomalies in timey-wimey series. While some viewers may find these concepts mind-bending and difficult to grasp, they also contribute to Doctor Who's enduring appeal, as they invite audiences to engage with complex ideas and paradoxes. Timey-wimey series like Doctor Who can be both confounding and fascinating, encouraging us to question our understanding of time, space, and causality. However, is it possible to grasp the full extent of these complex ideas, or do they exist at a level beyond human comprehension? One possible answer lies in embracing the show's intentionally unorthodox approach to narrative structure and time travel. By subverting our expectations and challenging traditional notions of cause and effect, Doctor Who and other timey-wimey series cleverly subvert our expectations and draw us into the labyrinthine world of time travel. In conclusion, the intricacies of timey-wimey series serve as a mirror to our own perceptions of time, allowing us to explore complex ideas and intellectual paradoxes, whether or not we fully grasp the intricacies of time dilation, predestination, or the grandfather paradox. The true power of Doctor Who and similar shows lies in their capacity to inspire critical thinking and to challenge our understanding of the world around us.